Hello everyone. Today we will see how to make a delicious and a fudgy chocolate brownie. To make this brownie, take some dark chocolate, butter and coffee powder in a microwave safe bowl. I'm going to melt all this in the microwave. You can also melt it in a double boiler. Melt it for about 30 to 40 seconds, bring it out and then keep mixing till you get a smooth homogeneous mixture. Should be nice and well combined like this. To this, add eggs, add one egg at a time and beat it in. Once the egg is incorporated, add the white sugar, add little by little and beat it in. I've given all the ingredients list in the description box, you can check that out. When the white sugar is well combined, add the brown sugar and again beat it in. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and mix well. At this time, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now add the dry ingredients. I'm adding all-purpose flour or maida and then add some cocoa powder. Finally, add a pinch of salt. Combine all of this together. Be gentle, don't over mix the batter, just mix it till it all comes together like this. To bake this brownie, I am using a 7-inch cake tin. This is a square cake tin. Grease and line the cake tin with a parchment paper so that the brownie will come out easily. Transfer the batter into the cake tin. Tap the tin on the counter to remove any air bubbles. And then bake this in the preheated oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. Depending on your oven, the timing will change. My brownies were done in 35 minutes. Once the brownies are done, wait for it to cool completely and then you can cut into pieces. This is one of the most delicious, fudgy, tasty, chocolatey brownie. If you are an intense chocolate fan, then you'll definitely enjoy these fudgy brownies. Having these brownies with a scoop of vanilla ice cream will be the best thing you've ever tasted. Do try it out. Until next time, bye-bye.